let's talk about color harmonies. Okay? So most of you have already logged in to color.adobe.com. Use saturation, brightness, and lab is also used for specialized printing. So let's talk about what is or what are color harmonies. Color harmonies is about using the presets based on color theory. As you would see here, there is a lot of color harmony rules that you can use inside of Adobe Color. Okay, so I'm just going to switch to my browser, and upon seeing this in your Create tab here, I'm just going to run down the interface itself. As you would see here, if you log on to Adobe Color, you have the top bar here, and then all of the modules on the left side that you can click and you can access each and every one of that. Right now, as you would see here, on the color wheel itself, you can just create a specific type of color that you want. In our case, we're just on the custom level. And then if we select on a specific color harmony rule, let's say analogous, this will shift all of your colors to the specific rule. Okay? So right now, if I drag on the base color, everything else will be shifted because this is observing the color harmony rule, which is analogous. We have what we call the base color here, on which you can also change. How do you change this? You just have to click on a specific palette. For example, if I click set as base color, as you would see, this would be the base color and all of these colors will be shifted on a specific level. Okay? So for example, if I switch on the greens, let's say I want all of my colors into the green analogous. Okay? But I want all of this into a darker hue. Okay? I can just move on this and move on that. I can also use, you see, I can also use the sliders here. For example, if I want to control this using the RGB controls, you can just definitely change this here. Okay? If I go on the D palette, I can just make this a little bit darker, and all of this will be happening at the same time. Okay. So as you would see here, you can just manipulate colors right away on this. If you want, you can change the color mode on a specific level, on a specific mode that you want. In our example, if you want to deal with CMYK, you can just change the mode here, and you will see I can deal with the CMYK already. Another one is you can use the HSB, use saturation and brightness to change the colors. Okay? And the last one would be LAB. Okay? Yan. So, nakita nyo na? And, baka may magtatanong, nasan ba dito yung hexadecimal values? Nandito po sa taas, as you would see here. The one here. You can just copy and paste these values and put it on your graphics design program. Whatever it is. It's either Adobe, Corel, or Affinity. You can just create this. Okay? So that's how you create colors on this level pala. So let's move on to another color harmony, which is monochromatic, as you would see here. Okay? Triad, complementary, split complementary, double split complementary, square, compound, shades, or even a custom type on which you can independently create colors on your own, as you would see here. If you click on the custom color harmony. Okay?